In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneNote for project management. First, open your notebook in OneNote. We'll start by setting up a simple structure that keeps everything easy to find. Think of OneNote in three layers. Your notebook is the main workspace that holds all projects, like a binder. Inside it, create sections for each individual project. Then within each section, add pages for the work you'll do, such as task lists, plans, and meeting notes. For example, you might have a notebook called Project Management, a section for a specific client or initiative, and pages named Task List, Content Plan, and Meeting Notes. Keep names short and consistent so you can scan them quickly. Next, create a lightweight task management system using tags. Tags turn plain text into trackable items. A simple set works best. To do, in progress, completed, and urgent. Type your task as a line, then press Ctrl+1 to apply the to-do checkbox. When you finish, click the box to mark it complete. You can customize tags to match your workflow, but avoid over-tagging so the list stays actionable. Now build a project dashboard. This is a single page at the top of each project section that acts as your control center. Include a short project overview, the main goals, key deadlines, quick links to important files or pages, and a brief task summary that highlights what needs attention this week. Keep this page concise and always up to date. To make navigation fast, use internal links. Right-click any page, choose Copy Link to Page, and paste that link into your dashboard under the appropriate heading. Link to your task list, content plan, and meeting notes so you can jump straight to the details. For meetings, create a dedicated meeting notes page in the projects section. Use a clear template each time. Date at the top, the agenda you plan to cover, notes captured during the discussion, and a list of action items. Tag the action items, as to do so, they roll up with the rest of your tasks. When you need a big picture view, open Home, then find Tags. This shows your tagged items across all pages and sections, effectively turning OneNote into a task manager. It's perfect for spot checking deadlines and priorities. Finally, run a weekly review. Scan all to-do tags, update anything that's in progress, check off what's done, and clean up completed tasks. This simple habit keeps every project moving and your dashboard trustworthy.